how to make a project in InTO and upload the file. I can explain you briefly in this video. So if you have a file to translate, you can go to project on the left side, click it, and at the top right side you can click create new project. Here you can type the project name, document translation, and below that you can type the additional descriptions. I can recommend you to write the language information here from DE to in French, for example. These two options are fixed. The first one, PDF, you can choose, scroll down to the bottom and choose smallest file size. For the second one, PDF export preset, you can choose unzipped PDF at the top. Next is workflow. For the DeepL translation, you can uncheck these two options and choose machine translation. Add provider, choose DeepL. If you have a Microsoft document like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Excel, you do not need the layout check. You can also decide if you want to proofread the document after the translation. If you want to proofread, you can leave this option. If not, you can uncheck the box here. So I can just do the very simple example with pre-translation and machine translation with DeepL. Then you can directly download the document. And for the languages, for example, in my case, the source language is German. If you have a French document, you can choose French as a source language or English. I can leave German like this and go to target languages, and in which language do you want to translate your document. For example, in my case, English and French would be my target languages, and click OK. Next is users. Click users, and first you can click the plus sign next to default and choose search your username or name here. I can choose mine and click myself, and I will add myself to the old rows by clicking the checkbox at the top. Because it is a DeepL translation, I do not need the help of any other person or people. So click add here. It's done. Now click translation memory at the bottom, and you can click the translation project template. Here we have several options, but what you will use is only two. Either the Huyaman at the top or Huyaman marketing prospectus at the bottom. So basically, everything else other than brochures, flyers, and this direct brochure like marketing document will be Huyaman, like technical document, internal training materials, any other things, price list, everything will be Huyaman. But only when you have a brochure, you can choose Huyaman marketing prospectus at the bottom. I can choose Huyaman because the example document today is not the marketing brochure. Then you can click create at the bottom right side. Now you have created a project. All you're gonna have to do is to either click upload new files and upload the file, or you can simply drag and drop the file in the project. Then it's done. You can click confirm upload. Then wait for a few minutes. Normally the Microsoft documents like Word, Excel and PowerPoint, it does not take that long to be translated. You can simply wait in the internet browser. Then now you see that the documents are being pre-translated and it is being handled automatically. Now I've waited for a few minutes, like 1 minute or so. Then now you see that the document is already translated. What you can do is to click anywhere next to this language, and you can click target file here to download the French version of the document. Then it's been downloaded. And also for the English, you can click here and click the link next to target file. It's done.